Hello, myself Jumi, and I got to know about this hospital from one of my friend, and our overall experience was exemplary. It's really like all the facilities were medically very advanced, then cleanliness wise, hospitality wise, everything was so superb. My dad went through the cataract surgery and his case was a bit complicated because he was 80 years old and already he had few more surgeries before, but overall he has like recovered so well and without any discomfort. And the best part I liked about this hospital and the staff is like they were connected over the phone in every now and then, like after 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, they will call and check like if the patient is doing well not and everything. And even the counselor part, nurses and everyone were so good at their own work, because everything, the medicine also, since his both eyes got cataract surgery done, so it was really difficult to manage the drops and all, but it was so organized. They gave the sheets and everything. We didn't felt any discomfort at all. And even my dad, being a 80-year-old, he was like very comfortable. So it was really an awesome experience, and overall I would say like the best team and the best staff ever I have deal with for my father's surgery. So thank you all of you for all the support and everything for the whole process.